Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this into this fruity, natural flavoured water. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ina Santos. Hi, if you're new here, I used to be someone who didn't really like the taste of water, and then I learned that you can put fruits and other things to make it taste so yummy. And today I'm going to be giving you three different recipes for you to try. So the first thing we're going to do is remove some water out of the bottles to allow room for the ingredients to go in. If you don't actually have water bottles, you can just grab water and put it into a cup, but make sure that cup has a lid because we're going to shake it at the end. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using today. I've got cucumber, pineapple, lime, ginger that's been peeled, orange, blueberries, blackberries and raspberries. These three are frozen, but go ahead and use fresh if you want to. Recipe 1, we're going to be using blackberries, and look how gorgeous these are. Like, oh my gosh, that is so cute, especially when it starts to defrost. Cute. So we're going to put that in, force it in. Blackberries in. Now we're going to add some cucumber. You can add as much as you want. Like, honestly, if you don't want to put as much blackberries, you can put less or you can put more. It's all up to you. I'm just showing you how I make mine. But yeah, cucumbers are so good. They hydrate you. It adds flavor, and that's what I like. I don't like to drink water. Ooh, shit. I like to drink water with flavor. It just makes me feel really healthy. Cucumbers are in. Now we're going to cut some lime. Lime is really good. You can add it just like this. You can cut it, squeeze it in and put the skin inside, or you can just squeeze the juice and leave the skin out. But as you can see, I've left it in with the skin on. To me, it just looks pretty, and it also adds a little bit more flavor. So that's basically the first one. I'm going to put it down now and just let it do its thing. Recipe number 2, we're going to be using pineapple, orange skin and ginger. It's going to be really good, trust me. You can add as much as you want. Ever since I started to add fruit into my water, I noticed that my energy levels have increased, and I also find it more enjoyable to drink water. So if you're trying to drink more water, this is honestly the perfect way to do that. So now I'm going to take some orange skin and put it into the water. I'm going to cut it so that it kind of takes some of the orange as well, if that makes sense. So it should look something like this. You have some orange here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to squeeze it into the bottle and then put it into the bottle. I did wash the orange, so there's no harm in doing that. But I'm just going to continue, put some more orange because I like it really orangey. As you can see, orange here, so then I'm just going to squeeze it in and pop it in. And I'm just going to do a bit more. Just grab loads of orange. Be careful, it might squeeze into your eye, so wear goggles if you need to. Can you imagine? The ginger, I like to cut it really small, and I'm using quite a big chunk, but just use as much as you want, honestly. It's all about your preference and what you want to eat and what feels good to you. So I'm just adding those little bits of ginger. The more ginger you add, the spicier it's gonna feel. Spicy? Yeah, spicy. Like it's gonna be spicy. So yeah, and honestly, I love bringing this kind of water to the gym. It gives me a boost, and honestly, it looks cute. I don't know about you, but to me, this looks cute. Right. So that one is finished. Just cleaning my hands now, and we're gonna pop the lid on and set it aside next to the other one. And for the final water, we're going to add some raspberries and some blackberries. I find it really nice to add mint leaves as well, to be honest, but I didn't have any today, so I'm just gonna add these 2 ingredients. But feel free to alter the recipes, you know, if you don't like raspberries, you can add strawberries. And as you can see, I've actually not added any sugar into these waters because the fruit has sugar and it just gives it a very natural taste. And that's the kind of vibe I'm going for, just natural. And you'll be surprised that these fruits will actually taste super sweet. So I'm just adding in the blueberries now. These ones are so small. They're kind of cute, look. So small. Oh my god, my fingers are literally red from the fruit because it's kind of melting. You can see color is starting to appear, but what I like to do is let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. If you don't have that time, if you don't want to wait that long, obviously you can go ahead and eat it straight away. I just like to leave it in the fridge for it to become a little bit more chilled and also for the flavors to kind of sit with each other. This one's going to be red water, honestly, as you can see already. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Drinks like this is going to give you energy, it's going to make you feel refreshed, make you feel happier, and it's going to give you nutrients, and we need nutrients in our body. The more water you drink, the more healthier and happier you're going to feel, honestly. And with these recipes, it's going to be so easy for you to incorporate more water. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I have inspired you to make your own naturally flavored water. Like this video if you haven't already, subscribe and stick around because my next video will be how to make a really yummy salad, and I promise you it's not your average salad. So yeah, have a beautiful day, have a lovely week, year, life. Just enjoy yourself, stay hydrated, stay happy, stay good, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!